Our first retro of April. Let's kick off things. Let's kick off this month by reflecting on our recent work. We'll talk about what went well, what are the challenges we faced during this spring journey, and what we can make even better in the upcoming spring. So let's get started by checking in our projects. I'll quickly run through the projects I've been leading during this sprint to get an idea where each project stands. So starting with NFC mobile app, during this sprint, Ravinder was assigned to complete the trending movie section and its report, sales by location section, top performing theater section, as well as push notifications. He has successfully completed all the tasks assigned for the dashboard. However, still pending to do the push notification thing. Then for the web backend dashboard, in this sprint, Nasika was assigned to complete most of the dashboard components, their APIs and reports. So he has completed all the tasks allocated for this sprint. Then for the Archmage landing pages, Dinush and Naushadi completed all the 4 landing pages. We created with the fixes we found during the QA testing, and currently we are working on adding tags for the projects. We'll be able to finish it within the day and deploy the site. Then for the bungalows one, Kalpais is still working on the UAT fixes, and we will try our best to release it within the day. So that's all about my projects. Penipma, can you please give us a quick rundown on your projects along with the burn down charts and achievements?
Okay, thank you. So in the redesign project, we had planned to finish the mock designs for email templates and create all the backend components as well as to complete the dynamic tasks also. And there already managed to finish the designs of the email templates and they was managed to set up the backend. And they are currently working on fixing dynamic issues there. And here's the burn down chart for the project. And here's the sprint review summary for the project after the sprint. We have targeted to achieve 85% of the project progress at the end of the sprint, but we could only achieve 78% of that. And we have remaining 13 days to finish the project. And regarding the Jeffrey Bauer project, we started front-end development and Lahiri was able in completing a few pages there. But due to request from the client, we had to hold the front-end development and also we had to redesign the entire mock again. Somehow we managed to adjust the mock and also to complete QA and to send it to the client for approval. Once we receive the approval from them, we can resume the development from the next sprint as well. And that's about my project update.
So on a scale from 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the results you achieved during this sprint?
9 out of 10.
Okay, great. Thank you, Penipma. Then Nirosha, would you mind sharing some highlights and challenges of your projects during this sprint?
Sure, today. I handled the Leisure Portal and Kotyagala Phase 2 projects during this sprint. Starting from Kotyagala project, Kalpa developed the custom component, invoice component, and travel wizard. Then Kalpa is currently working on the QA fixes of Kotyagala website. Now I move to the burn down chart. This is the burn down chart. Then considering the Leisure Portal project, also Loan is currently doing the backend QA fixes. In this sprint, we delivered the front-end Target applicant user module for UAT. Then regarding the role CRM website, Kalpa did some several changes as Ms. Ganesh request. This is the burn down chart for the leisure job portal website. Now I move to the sprint review summary. First, Kotiagal Luxury Villas Phase 2. According to this, project progress at the commencement of this sprint is 80%. We targeted to complete the project at the end of this sprint, but actual progress of the sprint is 95%. Forecasted remaining days to complete the project is 3 days. Then current budget status is 94%. Finally, forecasted budget to complete the project is 7%. Then leisure job portal project. According to this, project progress at the commencement of the sprint is 85%. Also, this project, we targeted to complete the project at the end of this sprint, but actual progress of the sprint is 92%. Forecasted remaining days to complete the project is 4 days. Leisure job portal is the internal project, so I can't calculate the current budget percentage for this project. That's all from my side, guys.
Okay, Risha. So, on a scale from 1 to 10, how happy are you with the outcomes of this sprint?
9 out of 10, guys.
Okay, great. Thank you, Risha. Then, Shanara, could you also please give us a quick status update on your projects?
Sure, Anjali. Starting with the office project, in this spring we plan to complete the remaining final QA fixes and QA testing. The developers successfully completed their QA fixes for both web and mobile. The only task remain to do the PDF generator and invoice send button. Once these tasks are completed, we can deliver the site to UAT. And I share my screen. This is the burn down chart for the Onbus project. Regarding the casino project, in this sprint we plan to do the email templates. Oshadi successfully completed the email templates. The only thing we have to do is add content to other pages once we receive it from the client. This is the burn down chart for the casino project. Next, regarding the Cybertruck rental booking system site, we plan to task for last Wednesday for this sprint. For this project, I plan to fully complete the homepage within 3 days. Madara and Sainika successfully complete the homepage design within 3 days. This is the burn down chart for the Cybertruck rental booking system site. And this site was designed by Madara. Your section, book your right, car features, about us section, testimonial section, newsletter and footer. This is the mobile mock design. And this site was designed by Sainika. Here section, search filter, booking steps, track features, and about us, testimonial and photo section. This is the mobile design. When I move to the sprint review, in on-box project, we target project progress was 95%. We achieved 94%, and we forecast requiring an additional 5 days to complete entire project successfully. And casino ship project target project progress was 95%. Actual progress in this bit was 94%. Before we forecast require an additional 6 days to complete the entire project. And yeah, that's all.
Okay, Shinara. So, what do you think about the success of this sprint? Can you rate it on a scale from 1 to 10?
I think 10 out of 10 can't.
Great, thanks, Shinara. Then, Shamaru, would you also please give us a quick rundown on your projects?
Yes, Kanchani. Good afternoon, team. And before talking about my projects, I want to say a few words. And I think I wish all are feeling very happy these days because after tomorrow I think you all have New Year holidays and you all are feeling happy. And tomorrow's a big day for us because tomorrow's our New Year ceremony day, and I hope that you all are participating in that. And talking about my projects, Chaturang and me completed Bootstrap 20 project, 4 project 2, Bootstrap 20 for 6 projects successfully. And he did the development part, and I did the QA part. And talking about Ruchika, and he designed 3 design projects, and I did the project proposal part, and he according to that he did 3 projects. And talking about Lakshita and me and Lakshita able to complete 2 projects. One is sport item, another one is plant nursery. And if I share my screen now to see the actual view of the project. This is the sport item website. Here section, about us, promotion banner, product store, testimonial and blog section, newsletter, map and footer in homepage. This is the about us page. This is a shop page. This is a blog page. And the final page is the contact us page. This is the contact us page. And if you look at the plant nursery website, here section, it's the home page of the here section, about us, promotion, product store, testimonial and blog section, newsletter, map, and the footer. This is about us page. This is a shop page where you can see buy various kind of plant nursery items. And this is the blog section where you can see latest news and post. This is the contact us page. So if you see the burn down chart, then this is for sport item website. So, and this for partners website, and this is been achievement cost for sport item website, and this is partners website. Both the designs are made by Ruchika, and so I think that's all from my end. So to continue.
So, how would you rate the success of this sprint on a scale from 1 to 10?
Yes, 10 out of 10 continue.
Great, thanks, Chandra.
Thank you.
So the next step on our agenda is to walk through the Trello board, and Pinpa will present you the Trello board. Pinpa, over to you.
Thank you, Kanchi. So hello team, join me in the review of our Trello board to assess our progress, and let's see what tasks we have excelled at and what we could have done better, and let's discuss about what we have learned and how we have implemented those things in the success of the sprint. To begin with, I would like to hear about your overall impressions about this sprint launch.
Yeah. So in this sprint, I was able to reshape clients for discussing regarding new budget, and also I was able to brainstorm a new vehicle booking system. That's all.
Okay, so would you consider this sprint a success, a failure, or somewhere in between?
It's a success.
Okay, thank you. Moving on to Irusha. What you could say about this sprint, Irusha?
Yeah, Pinpa. During this sprint, I effectively managed the ledger portal project, delivering the front-end applicant user module for UAT. Additionally, QA testing was conducted for both the ledger portal and Kotiagal Phase 2 project.
Okay, so in your opinion, what rating would you give for the sprint out of 10, Irusha?
9 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. We have Shenara next. Shenara, so what feedback do you have based on the sprint?
In this sprint, I created entire project proposal for the Cybertruck rental booking system side. Also, I successfully completed the design task and managed my project. That's it.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with your and your team's performances?
Thank
you. Chamara, tell us about your sprint.
Yes, Philippa, during this sprint, I was able to manage 2 projects. One is sport item project, another project is partner city project, and lastly, I wish all of you happy new year and stay happy and enjoy the holidays. Thank you.
Okay, so what's your rate for this sprint, Sean?
10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Okay.
Prabhat, what are your achievements and the learnings from this sprint, Prabhat?
I was able to complete almost all the tasks except the PDF generated task and the influence budget. And also, we were able to learn about actionable for strategy.
Okay, so how would you rate them out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. Moving on to Lasika, how do you feel about this sprint?
In this sprint, I have learned how to interact with feedback, and I have successfully trained all the things in the dashboard and in this sprint. And also, I have a solution for because function. So if we have a document for every project, like small teaching about the project, like who have access to GitHub or the input. Likewise, it will be more useful and for the devs.
Okay, we'll consider that. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the sprint outcome, Lasika?
It is 10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. Kalpit, could you share your progress of the sprint we had?
Yes, Kaniba, in this sprint, I was working on Kodiakala Bungos and CRM, and in the Kodiakala backend, I was able to learn and create PDFs on the fly on a request and send them through email as attachments. Yes.
Okay, so from your perspective, what score would you give for this sprint out of 10?
It's out 8 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. Next is Ravindu. What do you get to say about this sprint, Ravindu?
In this sprint, I learned more about API developers and there's the new meta packages for NSPS admin.
Okay, so from 1 to 10, how much are you looking forward for the next sprint?
10 out of 10.
Okay, great, thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Dirsha, share your inputs about this sprint with the team, Dirsha.
Yeah, in this sprint, I was able to complete the UI developments in Archmage marketing web pages with sales case, and I successfully completed Bootstrap projects 4 and 5. Yep, that's it.
Okay, so what's your score for your achievements?
10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Lahiru, how has this sprint been for you?
Yeah, so in this sprint, I was able to complete all the UI mockup for Jeffrey.
Okay, so how much excitement do you feel for the next sprint out of 10?
10 out.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Next up is Oshiti. How successful were you in this sprint, Oshiti?
Oshiti is not here.
Oh, we have Mandara. I would like to hear about your thoughts about this sprint, Mandara.
Yeah, sure. In this sprint, I designed Cybertruck rental booking systems, web and mobile home pages. So I could gain more knowledge about UI design parts and animation parts. So, and also I published Cybertruck rental booking system challenge post in Archmage FB page and LinkedIn page. So, and also I updated upcoming movies in EAP and DDP websites. That's all.
Okay, so if you had to rate your contribution for this sprint, what would it?
10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. Sainika, please share how things went for you.
And GGP sites. Also, I look for Cybertruck website homepage.
Okay, what's your score for your achievements?
10 out of 10.
Okay, great, thank you. Moving on to Chakra, what are your learnings from this sprint?
In this sprint, I was designing 3 UI design. I was successfully completed for design and I gained the knowledge how to design full UI design. That's it.
How would you rate your motivation for the upcoming sprint out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Thank you. Lakshita, let's hear about your inputs.
Good evening. Well, in this sprint, I was able to complete 3 projects. First one is sport items, second one is plant nursery and photography. And according to me, this sprint is a very successful to me. I have utilized several kinds of plugins, and I have enhanced my time saving ability in this sprint, and this is my achievements in this sprint.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with this sprint?
I would like to rate it 10 out of 10.
Okay, great. Thank you. How has the sprint been for you now?
Yes, great. So during this sprint, I was able to fix most of the front-end and back-end QA features of digital job portal project. And I was able to learn how to retrieve data from database using various type of filters to get the required output. So on the other hand, at the end, we were able to send the front-end applicant module for the UAT. So that's all.
Okay, so from your point of view, how would you rank this sprint out of 10 for its overall impact?
10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. Sandaru, what you gained from this sprint, Sandaru?
In this sprint, I gained more knowledge about front-end and how to set up MS and S3 bucket for Israel.
Okay, so what's your rate for those that you learned?
10 out of 10.
Great, thank you. Chamakar, tell us about your successes.
Yes, during this sprint, I was working on front-end part of the OnBlocks project and learn about Amazon S3 bucket storage service and how it was configured for the OnBlocks project. That's all.
Okay, so how happy are you with your successes out of 10?
It's 9 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. Next is Rutsiru. What are your inputs on this sprint result?
In this sprint, I was able to finish some dynamic parts in rule redesign project.
Okay, so what's your score for your performances?
9 out of 10.
Thank you. What goals were you able to achieve in this sprint?
Yeah, in this sprint, I completed all the QA fixes in OnBlocks project.
Okay, so how excited are you for the next sprint?
9 out of 10.
Thank you. Next is Yamsikan, but is he here? Is Yamsikan here?
Yes, no, we can go ahead with this.
Okay. Then we have Nitsal. Let's hear about your highs and lows from this sprint, Nitsal.
In this sprint, I worked on a redesign project. I was able to complete most of the tasks assigned to me, and I learned more about making website dynamic.
Okay, so what's your rate for your contribution for this sprint?
10 out of 10.
Great, thank you. And finally, we have Chaturanga, and let's hear about Chaturanga's learnings and his progress. Chaturanga?
Thank you, Kunipati. This sprint, I was complete bootstrap training project 4 to 6. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay, so from 1 to 10, what's your motivation rate for the upcoming sprint, Chaturanga?
10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you. And that wraps up our Trello board review. A big thanks to the team for your involvement. Kanchani, it's your cue. Thank you.
So here we come to the end of our agenda. Mr. Rosha, do you have any closing comments to make?
No, that's all. Actually, so for the GitHub accessors, what we can do is we can create different types of groups and then assign the users to those groups and keep in that way the access and who has the permissions, that will be clear.
So we'll utilize that method so that it will be easy for them.
Okay, Sashi.
Yeah, that's all. So from tomorrow we are having the party. Then afterwards we are starting on we'll continue 17th. No?
Yeah.
17th Wednesday. So everyone, if there's any urgent issue, make sure you attend. Otherwise, just be online if there's any urgent issue. Except for that, have a good. So anyway, tomorrow we are meeting up now, so we'll greet them tomorrow. Okay, that's all.
So thank you for your active participation. Let's make the next one even better and enjoy your vacation. See you soon.